What up, gang? It's your boy C-Spec, man. I'm up in the building. I'm coming to you with something else, man. I want to show you how you can keep your K&N air filter clean. And remember, when you go into the dealer for a service, do not let them throw away your filter. Man, I went to the dealer, took the bins in for a service, a B service, and man, you know, I was sitting in the parking lot looking over my service ticket, and I saw it say replace air filter, and I was like, would they really take that air filter out knowing that it's a K&N filter? Lo and behold, I called up there and I just speculated, yo, y'all swapped out my air filter. Well, I didn't speculate. The ticket said that's what they did, so they did it. And this was like a week later. Well, how about a week later, the mechanic still had my air filter on his toolbox inside of a box. And I had some stock filters in the bin, so, you know, yo, I had to go get that. But yo, this is what they look like, man, when I went to pick them up. It was all black and all kind of stuff in there, gum, little build up and whatnot. So I'm just gonna show you what goes on in the cleaning process to get your filters back looking like they should be looking. You see all that junk in there? First thing you want to do is knock all that loose. You want to knock all of this loose material out of the filter. As you can see, it's a lot of loose material that you can knock out. You don't want to beat your filter up against something because that'll damage a lot of the little grills on your filter material. But you just want to lightly tap it, like shake it out, and use something small, like a small little brush, to help brush some of that stuff off, and maybe run something in there and knock out some heavy things. You want to make sure you have the Canon Recharger filter cleaning kit. It's part number 995000, as you can see right there. All right, so you definitely want to have that, guys. What comes in that kit, which I had this kit for years, man. I mean, years and years, like way back in the Nissan Altima days. Somebody got that COVID cough coming down the street. Golly. All right, gang, so this is what we got right here. We got the air filter oil, and we got the air cleaning spray. Air filter spray. It smells like purple powder to me, guys. That's what it smells like is in this bottle. But it says for cleaning instructions, pre-cleaning, tap the element to dislodge loose dirt, then gently brush with a soft bristle brush. Spray on cleaner, spray K&N air filter cleaner liberally on 2 filter media and let soak for 10 minutes, which is what we're doing. All right. Next thing you want to do is rinse off the cotton filter media with low pressure tap water, rinsing from the clean side to the dirty side, and drying after rinsing. Shake off excess water and dry naturally. The use of other cleaning or drying methods would damage the filter and void the K&N filter warranty. So as you hear, guys, let it dry, let it air dry. You don't want to be using any other cleaning or drying methods because it could possibly damage it. All right, so too easy, guys. Spray it down like so. Nice and generous. Where it's dark, you want to spray those areas pretty good. I'm gonna let it soak about 10 minutes. I'm going through each rib, making sure I get plenty of spray in there. Alright, guys, so we got that sitting like so. I'm gonna close my box up, put everything up, make sure I have it for the future use. Okay, so yeah. Alright, gang, so we're waiting 10 minutes, so we'll be back. But I'm just gonna let the water run at normal pressure through here. Remember, we just did a cleaning. As you can see how dirty the water is coming out right there. Get a better look right there. It's dirtiest on the sides. I guess that's the flow of the air and the combustion or whatever. So I do notice that. So we're spraying from the clean side to the dirty side. got a dead beetle right there. Knocking out some stuff, guys. And I'm being careful to make sure I hit on this side, the rubber right here, so that I don't beat up my filter. I don't want to deform it or anything like such. But it's this easy, guys. You just spray it, and I'm gonna show you something else you can do. I gotta go grab a small tool. As you can see, I have some stuff right in here. As you can see, I got a bunch of stuff right up in here that's not coming out as easy. So I'm gonna get my little screwdriver and just push it out. Actually, what I can use is, I'm right here in the kitchen. I can use a knife. Nah, this isn't too big. We ain't about to cut it up. We ain't gonna cut it up. But I could use this dirty knife here. Just rinse it off real quick. Alright, so I'm just pretty much trying to break free some of this dirt in here. There's all the dirt coming out of there. Dirt, leaves. The reason you want to do that is you don't want to embed anything into the filter, but I'm just giving a little assistance right here by if I can help break some stuff free. Ooh, don't stab your filter, guys. Alright, so I'll spring this baby back up. Right there. So yeah, we got a majority of the little bugs out, guys. That's pretty much what's left, just a bunch of little things. So I'm just gonna let the water run down the front right here, just to try to get some of that, more of that out. Next thing we're gonna do is just let this baby dry out, and I'm gonna come back to you, and we're gonna spray it down with some oil. So stay tuned. This drying process is gonna be overnight to the next day. So we'll be back, guys. Alright, as you saw, we did the cleaning of these filters, and they've been sitting here a couple of days actually now. I'm just not getting back to it, but take a look at it, man. Everything's cleaned up real nice, as you can see. It look pretty dang on good. Got all that dirt and grime out of there. That's why it's, I'll say, a pretty good investment to purchase you some high flow K&N air filters that are cleanable, so that you can service them and continue to get use out of these things, man, because they flow phenomenally. I mean, they have results that are totally proven, which you can see on their website. And we're gonna go ahead and oil these babies up. All right, so let me go over the instructions real quick on how to properly oil your filter. So again, this kit comes with the oil and the cleaning solution. Excuse me. Alright, let's see. Spray evenly along each pleat, holding nozzle about 3 inches away. Do not spray in a circular motion. Let air filters stand for 20 minutes and respray any visible white spots. Alright, so we're going to spray each individual pleat. Alright, keep in mind, it sits down like this. The air is going to flow in here. So you're going to be applying the oil on the filter, like so. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and spray this baby down and make sure I'm not missing a step. 3 inches away, guys. Okay. Excuse me. Alright gang, it's looking pretty good so far. Alright, so we sprayed each individual pleat. I'm gonna it's looking good. I'm gonna rotate it, get a different perspective of view on this thing. And as I can see here, I still see white. And it says you wanna let it sit for 20 minutes and then go back and spray all the pleats that are still white. So I'm just gonna sit this up here and I'll come back to it. We'll revisit this. Let's go ahead and spray this one here. Again, I'm gonna turn it this way. I just hate seeing all this oil on the outside. There's so much excess oil. Alright, so I'm just gonna, as you can see, this side looking this way, it's all white still. It's looking good going that way. So I'm just gonna apply a light spray on this side as well. Alright, so we're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes because of course you know that oil is gonna settle down. Let us do its thing. But this is what it's looking like so far, guys, as you can see right there. Nice and red looking. Alright, let's see some. This is the first one I did. So I didn't hit it from that other angle like I should. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this one at this other angle real quick. Just because I know I'm gonna have to hit it. Just hit it down the side like this. Same this way. There's a lot of white looking down that angle. Alright, gang. Alright. So I'm gonna let this baby sit and do what it gotta do. Alright gang, so oh my god, I can see all the, what is this, dust oil? Yeah, it's dust particles. Yeah, but we got that spray down. We're gonna let this thing sit, chill, and come back to you just to let you see what it look like for the end result. But we pretty much came to the completion of this video, which involves the cleaning and re-oiling of your Canon air filter. I'm not gonna rush. I just got new factory filters installed, so you know, I'm not gonna throw it in immediately, but I'm gonna be sure to tag where I do the install of my Mercedes so you can see how I got these filters into the vehicle.